Hi guys, slightly different to my usual videos, bit political this one, but it has to be done. This is regarding the new UK law regarding your right to repair your own items, devices. Here we've got an electric drill, for example. There was a wire loose, broken up inside. I soldered it back together and put the drill back together and it worked fine. Same thing with this coffee machine, stripped the whole thing down, put it back together, give the whole thing a clean and reassemble the unit, and after that it worked fine. A lot of these items, as you can see I'm repairing here, I've either bought cheaply or have been put out for refuse collection. Like I said, there's a new law where manufacturers have to, from now on, from this summer, make parts available for machines, devices, so the customer can repair themselves, and they also have to make sure their devices last longer, sometimes up to 10 years if possible, but at least you would have the right to repair it. For example, here we've got this electric chainsaw where inside this pipe was broken from new, and it was leaking all inside of the unit. I've repaired it and put it back together, as you can see here, and it's working fine. Here's another example. Bought this on the cheap because it was damaged, broken spider inside of the tub. Here you can see me just dismantling it. Samsung washer dryer. With this model, it's the old style where the tub, the white part, is in two halves. So you just undo the bolts all the way around, and then once you've done that, once you've got all the bolts out, all you've got to do is pull the tub apart, therefore accessing the drum. As you can see here, I pulled the bolts I've undone all the bolts, just pull it apart so you can replace the drum if need be, or the bearings or the spider, which I have done. I'm just putting it back together here, and here you can see it's working fine. Not like this Indesit, which I had a problem on, whereas as you can see me removing the tub here, this one is a sealed unit. It's sealed from the factory, glued together, so you can't access the drum. So what I've had to do is improvise. I've cut the drum apart here, as you can see here, and once I've cut it apart, I've knocked out the old bearings and measured them and ordered from a bearing supplier the sizes which I removed. You won't find the sizes listed for this machine because they're not deemed to be repairable. And here you can see me just reassembling the unit with putting bolts around the side and gluing it back together, and there it is reassembled. And this machine, I had this machine for 3 years before I sold it on, and it was still working. Another problem is on this electric Hedge trimmer, which I found someone has been trying to repair it, because you can see the screws are missing here, but they couldn't quite get through. Let me just show you here. Here, not here. There, that's a Torx screw. So whoever tried to repair it didn't have a Torx key to undo it, and fortunately I have. So what I did, undone it, repaired the strimmer and put it back together. That's the Torx key at the bottom there with the Torx head. So like I said before, just touching on right to repair, manufacturers should make it easier for us to repair our own devices which we've purchased from them. And that concludes. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment and please subscribe.